Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video in my two indicator setup. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read what you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So today we are going to use two basic indicators that are available on most trading platforms. And if you have TradingView, well and good. But if you don't have TradingView, it should work on other trading platforms as well. You may not get color change on a moving average, but apart from that, EMAs are available on all trading platforms. Before I begin, I would like to mention that every person is either bullish by default or bearish by default. So you first got to realize what kind of a person you are. Are you generally a bullish person or you're generally a bearish person? Both do very well in the stock market. But if you find out you like taking more bullish trades or bearish trades, it'll kind of help you in the long run. There's a very old saying, bulls win, bears win, only pigs get slaughtered. So, I mean, it's just that, things get clearer once you know which side you're more generally comfortable on. So if you're bearish, I would suggest you stick to taking bearish trades. You keep looking for bearish opportunities. And if you're bullish, then keep looking for bullish opportunities. That way things get simpler. Yes, there are people who can be bullish and bearish very quickly, and they can be right also. But most of the time, it's better you stick to one side. That way you'll have a very clear vision that whenever the market is bullish, I'm in, or whenever the market is bearish, I'm in. So today, the two indicators that we're going to use on the 5 minutes time frame are very basic indicators, and these are available on all trading platforms. All right. So the first indicator I will use is a VWAP, volume weighted average price. Now this is available on all trading platforms. I wanted to make this video very simple because sometimes we overcomplicate things and we add too many indicators. So this is going to be a video where we are going to try and simplify things. I will not even use a bottom indicator in this. I will just use two indicators on the page, and that's about it. All right. So VWAP is very simple. There are some people who believe that the actual VWAP for the day shapes up at around 10:30, 11. But my belief in that argument is 50-50. Anyways, VWAP, as I told you, is nothing but volume weighted average price. You can just go to about the script, and you'll not get an author because this is a default indicator. So it's volume weighted average price. Do a little bit of reading if you can. See if you can understand what it's trying to tell you. Basically, on TradingView, it comes like this. It comes with some upper band, lower band, and all of that. I don't use any of that. I just use the normal VWAP. That is the center line, this blue line. And my setting is I've changed that VWAP to white. This second white over here. And instead of a simple line, I use it as a step line with breaks. So it's a pattern kind of a line, a little bit zigzaggy kind of a line. It makes it more visible for me, and generally because I'm using a black screen, it works very good with me. Now, even before I add another indicator to this, I would just like to tell you, if you just look at this VWAP and say you're a bearish person, you keep looking for bearish opportunities, or you're looking for opportunity to short all the time. For you, the market just needs to be below VWAP. That's it. That should be your trigger. Once the market slips below VWAP, one should weigh the pros and cons and enter into a short. All right. So over here, you see it goes below VWAP, we can short. Here you see it goes below VWAP, we can short. It opens below VWAP. And if you didn't take this short in the beginning of the day, then there is no opportunity for you on the 12th of Feb. This again, from the very start, it's below VWAP, and then the fall accelerates at about 1 o'clock. Somewhere over here at about 1 o'clock, the fall accelerates. So for a bear, this is very simple. As long as the market is below VWAP, he'll be looking for shorting opportunities all the time. All right. Now, who is a bull? A bull is a person who keeps looking for opportunities where the market is above VWAP. So this is a perfect setup for a bull. The market goes above VWAP. He goes long over here, and then he can carry this long at least till here. And that's 106 60-70 points, you can easily walk away with 100 points in Nifty in something like that if you're at the right strike price. Again, over here you see it breaks. Not a very great day for trading. Here you see the whole day it's above VWAP. Here it opens and goes above VWAP, and in the second half it goes below VWAP. So this is a long opportunity, this is a short opportunity. See this, it is negative, 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 but once it goes above VWAP, it just keeps going on and on and on and on. So even if you have entered somewhere over here, you at least had an opportunity of 150 points till here. Not bad at all. It totally goes up quite a lot more. Even if you entered over here, it goes 200 plus points, but you have a clear-cut opportunity over here. Here you see clear-cut VWAP breaks and it starts going lower. Here you see it breaks VWAP on the way up. This is a long opportunity and a short opportunity in the same day. Very good day for traders. This is I think the 24th of Jan. So on and so forth. So if you just use an indicator like VWAP, this is a very tricky day. There's a big candle up, then a big candle down. This is a movement which is happening to take out the shorts, the SLs in the system. Here you see it breaks VWAP at about 10.10, and then if one had to go long, would have had a good long opportunity. Even if you entered here, it's 100 points plus opportunity. Here you see a good shorting opportunity. It breaks down, goes below VWAP. So VWAP is a very basic indicator available on all trading platforms. You can change the color on all trading platforms. You can make it a simple line or a trend line with breaks. All this is available. Now we can add another indicator to this, which is EMA. So for the sake of simplicity, I will first use an EMA, exponential moving average. Now exponential moving average by default comes at 9. All right, we will make this 34. All right, and style, say we will make this yellow so that it's a little bit more visible. We don't need this labels and values. So okay, we'll make this yellow. Say okay. Now you see, again, what we have done over here is we have added a double confirmation to take a VWAP trade. All right, so over here you see it's below both VWAP and the moving average. So if one has shorted over here and he's intending on holding the short and he's still holding, but over here when it's going above EMA 34, he should exit. But this is a clear sign that the market trend is reversing. All right, so EMA 34 is a double confirmation, or it acts like a double confirmation when it's used with VWAP on a 5 minutes time frame on our indices. So generally people who follow my channel know that I generally use 5 minutes, and I split the screen also. So generally my screens are split into two. One screen is mid cap and Nifty, the other screen is Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now for Fin Nifty and mid cap Nifty, VWAP will not work on the spot chart. You will have to use the futures chart. All right, for Nifty and Bank Nifty, it'll work on both spot as well as futures. But for mid cap and for Fin Nifty, you will have to be on the futures chart because it needs volume data, I think. Any case, so again, once you add a EMA 34, it acts like a double confirmation. So see over here, it goes above VWAP and then it goes about EMA 34. So this would have been our point of entry when it goes above EMA 34, and then it's traveled about 188 points. We would have taken some 60 to 100 points in between and exited. Over here you see it's whole day below VWAP and EMA 34. Here you see it goes above both, then it goes below both. So a day to go long as well as short, and here also there's a shorting opportunity. So EMA 34 is acting like a double confirmation when the VWAP is telling you, okay, now you're ready to go up. If it's above VWAP and above EMA 34, then it's a double confirmation. You see, and generally it'll cut the EMA 34 before it cuts the VWAP. All right. So you see over here, VWAP and EMA 34, they meet over here. Exactly over there, the market is going into a short. People's shorts would have been triggered because people who trade intraday, they generally know these formulas. So the moment the candles went below EMA 34 and VWAP, algo traders and all that, their shorts would have been triggered, and you get this massive fall of about 180 points. All right. Again, I can make this chart more complex by using Camarilla pivots or Fibonacci pivots and stuff like that, but I'm not trying to, because we are trying to look at this from an intraday perspective. All right, so you see over here it goes below VWAP and it goes below EMA 34, shorting opportunity. Here you see it goes above VWAP and EMA 34, long opportunity over here. Very nice, 200 plus points long opportunity. Here's a shorting opportunity. It goes below EMA 34 and VWAP. VWAP is the white line. EMA 34 is the colored line. All right, now this you can do on any trading platform, because this way VWAP and EMA will work on any trading platform. What you will not do, what you will not get on a normal trading platform is if I use an indicator like CM, EMA, trend bars, which will change colors when it detects that the market has switched. It will change from green to purple. This is what you will not get on a normal trading platform. Now again, this is working on a very similar principle. It's the same setting as EMA 34, but just that over here the color shifts when market becomes bullish, or when the markets become bearish. When it feels that the market is becoming bullish, the moving average will turn fluorescent green, and when it's becoming bearish, it'll turn purple. Actually it turns red. I have changed it to purple. So over here, if you see, you get the option of even color barring. This bar can also be colored. If you click on this, it'll color the bars as well. It becomes more simpler if you activate that, but for the sake of this example, I'll not activate it. And this EMA generally comes with normal green and normal red. I have made it fluorescent green and kind of a bright purple. All right, because that's the way I like seeing them. It's more visible to me. Input section by default is 34. I have not changed it. At the bottom, these two I have unticked. That's it. So this customization of color shift and all, you will not get on a normal trading platform. On a normal trading platform, it will just show you in a single color, but that also is okay. Conceptually, you just need to go long if the candles are above VWAP and EMA 34, and go short if the candles are below VWAP and EMA 34. As simple as that. So when we look at this also, you can see over here, the moving average is purple. It's below the VWAP. It's a good shorting opportunity. Here it has gone above the EMA 34 and it's trying to cross VWAP, but all this is happening after 2:30 p.m. and members or subscribers to my channel know that I generally advise people not to trade after 2:30 p.m. All right. Here you see the moving average turns from green to purple and then it goes below VWAP. Perfect shorting opportunity. Here you see it cuts the moving average and it tries to cut below VWAP but fails. It holds the VWAP line and goes up. So one should have not shorted over here. If one would have shorted over here, they would have lost money. So this is a very good example of sometimes, it can almost go there, but it'll revert. So this is a very fine example of that. But over here, you have a clear long opportunity above VWAP. A big candle breaks out the moving average as well, and then it keeps going up. So on and so forth. We are just looking at the Nifty 50 chart. You can switch to Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty looks like this. You can see over here, VWAP is the white line. The moving average turns from green to purple over here. That means the shorting opportunities come up. And that's it. Once the candles go below VWAP and EMCM and trend bars or EMA 34, it becomes a perfect shorting opportunity. Here, a perfect long opportunity. Perfect shorting opportunity. Decent long opportunity. Good shorting opportunity. Decent long opportunity. So on and so forth, guys. The more you work with it, the more you will realize that this system works. However, you may get days where the market is very sideways. Like for example, this day, 27th of Jan, it's neither going up clearly, neither going down clearly. When it's trying to go up also, it's not able to go up and then go into a rally. On the way down also, it's not able to break down and go into a rally. So this is a perfect example of a day where people, bulls or bears, they will all lose money. All right. On those days, the formula should be simple: 2-3 bad trades and you should be out of the market. There are many people who also have asked me in the past, why don't I do live sessions. I don't do live because first of all, uh, it is not something that SEBI agrees with. So giving live signals is not something that our regulators, I think, agree with. Over and above that, I am trying my whole concept has been to reduce the number of trades that I do. I want to bring down my trades to 4 or 5 trades a month. Now, what will I come and do if I keep telling you the most of the day, don't trade, don't trade, don't trade? You will just get fed up listening to me, and you'll feel that this guy never tells to get into a trade, right? So that these are some of the reasons. Plus, it's very tiring to be on a live stream live for a continuous 8 hours. I have got my trading patterns. I know when I like trading in a day. Generally, it's between I take a trade at about 10, 10, 15. If I skip that, then I take a trade at about 1, 1:15 to a second half. And I avoid trading between that 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I generally avoid trading. So I know my patterns. I can take breaks in between. But on a live stream, I can't take those breaks. I need to continuously keep talking. And plus, if I keep stopping you from taking a trade because I like taking lesser trades, then it'll become a problem, right? So over here you see good shorting opportunity. Here you see good shorting opportunity. Again, you can't be right all the time. Like over here, you see it goes above VWAP, it goes above the EMA 34. Also, the moving average also changes color, but it's not able to travel a lot. It just goes up by about 100. Oh, that itself is 150. Okay, this is Bank Nifty. It goes up 150 points, then reverses, and then from here it starts giving a fall, and then it falls about 450 points. So stuff like that. Now, if I switch to mid cap, you will find that the VWAP disappears, but it'll work if I switch to mid cap futures. You see the futures again, the VWAP comes. So for mid cap and Fin Nifty, VWAP will not work on the spot chart. You'll need to be on the futures chart. Nifty and Bank Nifty, it'll work. And I think more or less the only thing that I'm really disappointed about is this delay in Sensex on TradingView. I don't know why there's a delay in Sensex charts in TradingView, because I am planning to switch more of my trades to Sensex. So either I will trade on Sensex or Nifty. That is what I'm trying to do recently, because the lot size is correct. It's easier to make money. Sensex also travels very fast. There's good amount of volatility and stuff like that. But again, so this concept works around people, or what I'm trying to tell you in this is find out what you generally like doing. Are you generally a long kind of a person, or you're a short kind of a person, or you're a neutral kind of a person? Very few people you will find are neutral. They are the real masters of the game. But generally a person is either bullish by default or bearish by default. I think I'm a little bearish by default, so I enjoy more when I get to take shorts and make money. But the market by default is bullish. It likes to go up, it doesn't like to go down. But traders, they like shorting, so stuff like that. All right, and there are very few people who can master both longs and shorts. I'm trying to get there. I hope someday I become very good. Maybe Rakesh Junjunwala was very good on that. He could go long and short. He could switch very fast. I have heard so. I'm not too sure. I didn't know him personally. So guys, a very clear-cut, simple 2 moving averages. One is VWAP. The other is CME trend bars on TradingView. It's nothing but EMA 34. As long as the candles are above this, you can go bullish. Whenever the candles are below these 2 moving averages, it is bearish. The market's in a bearish phase. Whether there's a trade or not, we don't know, but the market is not bullish, and when it's above, the market is not bearish. As long as you remember these 2 things, this will make your trading simpler. I would also suggest, if you're new to the market, then paper trade for some time. I can split the page, have mid cap. Let me switch to futures. So mid cap futures on the left, and Nifty futures on the right. Right there you go. So it look like this. So I've got mid cap futures on the left and Nifty futures on the right, and then Fin Nifty futures on the left and Bank Nifty futures on the right. It'll look like this. Simple and nice. All right, you can split the screen and then appropriately trade. You can see over here that it's telling you what to do, how to do, when to do. Sessions break apply to all. That will show us where one day has ended and the next day has begun. Very simple. So Nifty, you can see over here, it breaks below VWAP. Boom. Here the whole day mid cap is below VWAP. Only in the end it's kind of changing, and that too is the action starts post 2:30, and I advise people not to trade after 2:30. So you can split the screen and view things, or if you like watching things on the single screen, you can do that also. Single index, you can do that as well. I think this will work on smaller trading 3 minutes also, and generally EMA 34 will work on majority of majority of time frames. All right, so 10 minutes also it works. 15 minutes I'm not too sure. I generally don't trade 15 minutes, but it looks like it's giving out correct signals on the 15 minutes also. Above that I really don't know, because I'm an intraday trader and my time frame is generally 5 minutes. 90% of the time I'm on the 5 minutes time frame. Sometimes I go lower to 3 minutes and sometimes higher to 10 minutes, but that's my range. All right, and very rarely I trade on 1 minutes also. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. I want to stress on the fact that sometimes it's very nice to keep things very simple, not complicate things. Don't use too many indicators. Use indicators that have been working for a long time. VWAP is a tried and tested indicator. EMA 34 is tried and tested. Again, we are not trying to be too experimental over here. We are trying to go with things that have been historically shown to work. All right. On that note, I'll end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you in some form or the other. If it was, then please subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed. Like our videos, give it a thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. You can also become a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. It's only 89 rupees a month. We have some videos that we upload every now and then only for our members. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description in all our videos, and buy your Amazon products from our Amazon affiliate link that is there in the description. Once you click on that, it'll take you to Amazon. You don't pay anything extra. We make a small commission whenever you make a purchase through our affiliate links. There are some people who have bought things from the affiliate link. We are very thankful to those subscribers of ours. All right, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you all are having a good weekend. Till the next video, take care. Bye bye.